Chest sign and symptoms, feeling of heat in the chest. Feeling of heat in the chest. Excluding external invasion of wind heat, a feeling of heat in the chest is due to full or empty heat of the lungs or heart channels. If there is feeling of heat in the chest, accompanied by thirst, insomnia, palpitations, and agitation, it indicates heart fire. If there is a feeling of heat in the evening, dry mouth at night, insomnia, night sweating, and 5-palm heat, it is due to heart empty heat. A feeling of heat in the chest accompanied by a cough, hot hands, a red face, and expectoration of yellow mucus is due to lung heat. If it is accompanied by night sweating, a feeling of heat in the afternoon, 5-palm heat, a dry throat at night, and a dry cough, it indicates lung empty heat. Our summary, feeling of heat in the chest. So invasion of external wind heat, aversion to cold, fever, and their sore throat. Heart fire, there is insomnia, palpitation, red tip of the tongue. Heart empty heat, insomnia, night sweating, dry mouth at night. Lung heat, cough, and red face. Lung empty heat, dry cough, night sweating, and dry throat at night. Lung heat, a feeling of heat of the chest. There is cough, slightly breathlessness, feeling of heat, chest ache, flaring of nostril, thirst, red face, red tongue with yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Lung yin deficiency with empty heat. A feeling of heat in the chest in the afternoon or evening, dry cough or with scanty sticky sputum, dry mouth and throat at night, night sweating, tiredness, Mahler plus, a feeling of heat or low-grade fever in the evening, 5-palm heat, thin body, red tongue without coating, floating empty, and rapid pulse. Heart fire, a feeling of heat of the chest. There is palpitation, thirst, mouth and tongue ulcers, mental restlessness, feeling agitated, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, feeling of heat, red face, bitter taste, red tongue with redder tip and yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Heart deficiency with empty heat, a feeling of heat of the chest that is worse in the evening. There's palpitation, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, poor memory, anxiety, mental restlessness, dry mouth, and throat, Mahler plus, night sweating, 5-palm heat, red tongue with redder teeth and without coating, clothing empty and rapid pulse. Residual heat in the diaphragm, a feeling of heat in the chest. There's thirst, dry mouth, dry throat, irritability, restlessness, a feeling of fullness, and stuffiness of the diaphragm and epigastrium, which feels soft on pressure, nausea, slight shortness of breath, tongue red in front, deep rapid pulse. This is residual heat following an invasion of wind heat that later progressed to the chi level. Thank you for your attention.